Hello, my dear students. My name is Sajid Hussain. I teach in Tezpur Shirley Girls High School. Yesterday, I did certain sums from 8.3 in part 6 of my video. Today, I am going to do certain sums from trigonometry from chapter 8.4. Here you can see from 8.4. Here two types of sums are two sums. In question number 20, it is given prove that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square equals to 1 by cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Here you see prove that cos a by 1 plus sin a plus 1 plus sin a by cos a equal to 2 sec a. This kind of questions are from chapter 8.4 and from question number 5. You see this sum was given, this sum has been given, and so on. This sum also important. Most of the sums are from these books. So how to solve these sums, I am going to show you. It's from directly question number 5. You can see. Hopefully you have watched the other parts of my channel. So please like, subscribe and put the bell icon so that you can follow all my videos, and I'm always uploading my videos. Now you see in 8.4 there is a question, find a value. In question number 3, number 1 is given the sine square 63 degree plus sine square 27 degree divided by cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree. Very, very important sum from 8.4. Now you see 63 plus 27 is 90 degree. 17 plus 73 is 90 degree. Here it's the sum of complementary angle. So I always prefer to choose the first one. You write sine square. Then 63 is what? 90 minus 27 degree plus sine square 27 degree divided by, here also there cos square, this plus this 90 degree, so 90 degree minus 70 degree instead of 70 degree like this plus cos square 73 degree. It's very, very important for class 10 final. So sine 90 minus theta means what? Cos theta, and you see cos theta, right? There is square is here, no? So you have to write square also, plus sine square 27 degree. Again cos 90 minus theta means sine theta means 73 degree. Here square is here, so put square here, plus cos square 73 degree. Earlier I told you sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So value of theta, if their value are same, it will be 1. Here value of sin square theta is 27. Here 27. Therefore it will be 1. In the denominator, sin square theta, here theta is, in this case theta is 70 degree same theta. Therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. So 1 by 1 equals to 1. This is the answer. See in 8.4, in question number 3 I have done. In question number 4, there is a question like this. Choose the correct answer for 1. 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square equals to. There are 4 options. A is equal to 1, B equal to 9, C equal to 8, and D equal to 0. Which should be the proper answer? See, this kind of questions are asked in the final exam. See, this is question 2020. Here, see, in question number 7, 1 mark question. 8 cosec square minus 8 cot square, theta means a here, a minus 8 cot square a equal to 0, 1, 8 or 16. So it's very important for next year. Now you see 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. First you have to take common 9. Sec square minus tan square, take common 9. 9 is common. You see, in the third formula you got, in the second formula you got 1 plus tan square theta equal to what? Sec square theta. And in the corollary, I have taught you in earlier parts. If you have not yet seen if you have not yet watched my video, please go and subscribe and watch my video completely. In my previous class, I have taught you this. See, sec square theta minus tan square theta. If you transpose tan to right hand side, you get 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta 1. So sec square theta minus tan square theta 1 means 9 into 1. That is what? 9. So option is what? Well, A, B, C or D. This is obviously B. Therefore, answer is what? B. 9. See, this is a question which comes from 8.4 in every question paper. I have already shown you. Here proved that this equal this in this paper also. You can see in other paper also. I have already shown you. I think. Sure. Prove the this equal this. This is the question. This kind of question, when you are going to prove, there is a simple trick also. I am going to show you the trick actually. If you learn the trick, you can do it yourself. See, here two parts are given. This is left hand side, and this is right hand side. Always go for which part is in this form, numerator by denominator, and this n by m, numerator, denominator, which is there. This part is in the form of p by q. This form is in the form of what? P by q. Always take p by q part. Here p by q might be here in the right hand side, in left hand side also, or maybe in the right hand side also. Here this is in the right hand side. We always take p by q type form. This is in the right hand side, therefore I am going to write right hand side equals to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So I have taken right hand side. Now what you have to do, since this is plus, we always try to do one thing. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So in the denominator, we always write the denominator like this. In the denominator it is plus, therefore you have to multiply it by minus, so that it becomes like a square is b square. So if it is plus, we will just multiply by minus. So if it is multiplied by minus, it must be also multiplied by minus. Then it will be equal to the same. If it is plus, it is you might write this minus, and here also you must write minus here also. Then it will be same. So these two are 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta means 1 minus cos theta whole square. Here a plus b into a minus b like. It is like a plus b into a minus b. So a square means 1 square minus b square means cos square theta. Now you see 1 minus cos theta whole square. See 1 minus cos square theta means what? Sin square theta. I have already told you in my earlier classes. 1 minus cos square theta sin square theta. If you have not yet seen watch my classes, please go through all my videos in full length. Now you see, if a square by b square, then comes what? You can write a by b whole square. This also is square, this also is square. So you can write a by b whole square like this. A square b square, a by b whole square. Here it is square, here it is square. So a by b whole square. Now one thing we know, a minus b by c, then if you divide a by c minus b by c, here you divide 1 by sine minus cos by sine. See, 1 by sine theta minus cos by sine whole square. See, this part I have just split this part into two parts. So 1 by sine means what? Cosec theta, and cos by sine is what? Cot theta whole square. So we have found the left hand part. Left hand side. Left hand is equal to left hand side. Now again I am going to show you the maths in details. First you have to choose which part, right or left. I always suggest my students to choose which is in the p by q form. So this is in the p by q form. Take right side first. Then do 1 minus cos theta right and 1 plus cos theta right. In the denominator you have to change. If it is plus, you multiply it by minus. If it is minus, you multiply it by plus. Here in this case it is plus, so multiply it by 1 plus cos theta, so multiply it by 1 minus cos theta. If you multiply denominator, you must have to multiply numerator as well. So 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus, so there are, it is multiplied, it is a square of 1 minus cos theta, so you write whole square. Here 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, it is like this. A plus b into a minus b, like a square minus b square. So a square means 1 square minus b means cos square. Now you write this and see 1 minus cos square is what? Sin square theta. I have already taught you in my earlier classes. So if you have not yet watched my videos, you go through the videos in full length. Now you see a square b square means what? A by b whole square. Here it is square and this is also square, so this by this you write and square, put square like in the whole, like whole square. Again, if a minus b divided by c means what? A by c minus b by c. If you split this like, you can split this like this. Same thing is used in this case also. 1 by sin theta minus cos theta sin theta, like this. After this you write this. You do it below. Then comes 1 by sin theta means cos theta, cos by sin means cot theta. Whole square is there, you have got this. Left hand side is very easy. Tomorrow I am going to upload my next video. So for more, so that you can watch most of my videos, all my actually in all my videos, you like, subscribe and put the bell icon. Please don't forget to subscribe. You must subscribe. Then you will get on my videos on daily basis. Tomorrow I am going to solve most of the problems from this 8.4, from this from most of the sums I am going to solve. Then this chapter will be finished. Trigonometry will be finished. Then it will come some applications of trigonometry will be there, but after that I shall go for another chapter. This application trigonometry will come after half yearly examination. Therefore, I shall start new chapter, which will be of great importance for your upcoming exams. Okay,